Okay, today I'm going to attempt to, this handle broke off. I was trying to take it off because my wife wanted to use this Dutch oven in the oven, and we don't trust the handle. The handle here went on here, and we don't trust it. I twisted it, broke the screw off, rusted out. So we're going to use some liquid weld. First clean it off with lacquer thinner, both things, and then put some liquid weld on it and see if it'll hold. If it won't, I'll have to drill a hole through this. This is stainless steel, so I'll have to grind that off and drill a hole through and put a regular handle on. But I don't want to do that. I want to try to see if I can do it with the other thing. Time to clean this with some denatured alcohol or whatever you want to use. I'm just going to clean this off as best I can, so you got to clean it off. I don't know if I showed that. Give time for the. This is for you people that don't have. It has a hard time focusing on that stainless steel cover. I don't know if it's just because it's reflective or what, but it has a hard time focusing on it. Okay, here's the knob. I want to clean that out. Okay, as best I can, just so the liquid weld can stick to it. Just get all the loose. This is for you people that don't have a drill and don't have the drill bits to drill through stainless steel. It's pretty rough metal to drill through. I have the drills for it and I got all the equipment, but come on, focus. JB weld is what I'm using. It's clean enough, and I'm using popsicle sticks to mix. And this thing has been cleaned. Good enough. And all I'm going to do is mix equal parts of these two, put it on here, put it on the cover, let it dry, and then go from there. Okay, equal parts of the first tube, which is the hardener. Don't matter which way you do it. I don't need much, but I'd rather have more than less. There we go. That's the hardener. The liquid steel. I'll put about the same size glob, or pretty close. I would say that's close enough. Make sure it's in. There we go. Now just mix it. Mix it so it's going to turn gray. And this thing, depending on how much hardener you put in, if you do equal parts, you got a long time to work this. It takes a long time to harden. But if you put more of the light colored stuff in, it'll harden faster. But there's no worry. Just take your time, mix it right, make sure it's mixed up right. And there you go. There you go. There, see? You want to scrape it if you want to make it look nice, but it's not necessary. There you go, see? That's what you look like. And then all you do, once again, it's not rocket appliances. I'm just going to pack it in the handle here, because if this don't work, I'm just going to buy a regular handle. It's not easy to hold on to this handle and do this. There we go. You see I got it packed? Okay, now I'll take this and move this out of the way here. Hopefully it doesn't fall down on my waist. And then I'll just put the rest on that little knob. Whatever I can. However you want to do it, like that. Dab it on. I'll clean up the mess later on. Okay. Then just take this. Let me pan out a little bit here so you can see it better. There we go. Now I'll put this on. It doesn't really sit no real way. You can put more on the thing if you want. There. I see that little dab right there? I just use towel there to take care of it. There, that's it. Let it sit. What? 24 hours. We're not using it anyhow. You could put tape across it to hold it, but it's not going to drift. It's sitting there solid. So, and even if it's a little crooked, who cares? You know, it'll be on again. And that's it. And you fix the handle. Otherwise, you got to get out drills. You got to drill a hole. Got to grind that nub off. Got to drill a hole. Then you got to buy a handle at the hardware store or something you can mount another handle on. Do it that way. That'll be the next step if this doesn't hold. But it should. All right, thank you. I went back and added more. You see how it sticks out? I doubled up the batch. And this take a while to harden. As it hardens, I can reach over and make it however straight up. But I really packed it in.